Good morning, everybody. I hope you all are hale and hearty. See, children, as you can see, I am at school in your science lab. Right, today I have to perform some activities. So I thought instead of doing at home, let's go to the school and perform these activities in our science lab. So before we start a new topic, let's have a look. See, children, this is our science lab, and as you can see, our science lab is so spick and span, and it is waiting for us to come here. I pray to God that everything get okay as early as possible, and we could see each other. And actually, I am eagerly waiting for you to come to school. See, you can see many papers here. Wow, these all are great. Yes, now children, let's start with our new topic. And the name of our new topic is matter and molecules. Children, just look around yourself. You can see many things like books you read, toys you play with, marker you write, air you inhale, and the water you drink. These all different things are made up of different materials. And you know, children, these different materials collectively known as matter. Well, what is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Now think of your own body. What is it made of? Is it also made of some materials? Does it mean it is also matter? Yes, now let's find out the answers of all these questions in today's e-class. As you know, children, these different materials vary from each other in many ways. But there are two common features. First is matter has mass and another it occupies space. Let's learn for ourselves by doing some experiments. Our first experiment is that matter occupies space. For that, children, I have taken a beaker full of water, as you can see. Let's mark the level of water in it. Yes. Now I am going to put the pebbles, these pebbles in it. 1, 2 and 3. As you can see, children, that this is almost filled. Yes. This proves that solids occupy space. Children, you know, this activity always reminds me very inspirational story of a thirsty crow, in which crow put some pebbles in a pot with a very less water to quench his thirst. I hope you all must have heard this story. Now let's move towards our next activity. And that activity is liquids occupy space. For that, children, we need a plastic bottle that is easily available at home. And you will cut that bottle from the bottle. As you can see, I have done it for you. Now, what another thing that you need is a plastic glove. See, children, these gloves we are using very frequently these days, right? And a ball half filled with the water. Now, what we will do, children?
First of all, we will fix this glove at the upper end of this plastic bottle.
As children, we have learned in our class 3 that all empty spaces are filled with air. And what we can say that all air occupies the space available to it. As I have fixed fix the glove on it, as you can see. Now what I am going to do is I am going to put this plastic bottle in this ball filled with the water. Right children? As you can see, our glove is glowing. You know why it is happening? Actually, the water pushing the air inside the bottle and air is moving inside the glove and making the glove glow. Yes. Hello. Isn't it interesting activity? Wow. And this proves that air occupies space. Now our third activity. That is also a very simple activity, children. I am going to do to prove that liquids occupy space. Now for that, what I am going to do is, I am going to pour water in this empty beaker. As you all can see, once it's filled, it overflows. And this proves that liquids need space. So, with these small activities, we have proved that matter occupies space. Now, children, we will talk about another
Feature of matter, that is, matter has mass.
right? Actually, what is a mass? Mass is a material or matter present in an object. For that, I will do very small simple activity. I will take a piece of paper in my one hand and a pebble in my another hand, right? As you can see, if I blow a paper, it flies away. But if I perform the same thing with a pebble, it's not moving at all. Means this is heavy. Actually, the heavy things have more mass as comparison to the light things. Right, children? So, to prove this, we will perform another activity. See, children, I have taken a scale, right? And I have tied a single thread in between and a balloon at each side of this scale. As you can see, this is complete balance, right? Now, I am going to take another balloon. Now, I am going to blow it. Alright? Now, I am going to fix this balloon at the another side. As you can see, now the scale is tilting towards the balloon filled with air. This proves that air has mass. Thank you, children.